To access our new weight calculator and tracking, simply tap on the scale on the navigation bar to bring up the weight calculator. To enter a new weight calculation, we're going to press the plus button. We're going to enter a weight here. We're going to hit 275 and hit the check mark to enter the entry. And as you can see here, it has already calculated that I have lost 5 pounds and updated my current weight to 275. To delete a weight entry, simply slide left on the entry and tap on delete, and all calculations are redone and brought back to where they were before or are readjusted. You can also alter the date of which you are entering your weight at any time by simply tapping on the date field and adjusting as so. We're going to adjust here to June 5th, and as you can see here, we have a past entry set as June 5th, and all the weight calculations are correct. And we can also, at the same time, add calculations further back. So let's go here to May 31st, and there we go. So you can go far back or far ahead as you want in your weight calculation entries.